Hi there everyone, welcome back to Time with Sean. This week we're in week 3, Wednesday 3, so adding another 3 images to this month's image. I am also, the animals that I'll be adding is land animals, pets and mountains. I'm going to start with the mountains here, and then when I'm done with that I'll probably then go for the hippo, so let's get stuck in and then, yeah. So last week I ran an Instagram poll, land animals won, pets came second. What I'll be doing is the same thing this Thursday. Then just to explain around the randomizer, I put the land animals already in, and when I did the roll, pets came through, which is nice because of the pets being the second favorite on the last poll, and then also mountains came through. So adding it to this picture, and then yeah, let's see what we get Thursday. Enjoy the rest of this video. So I'm going to add the hippo now. The nice thing about it is I'm adding a little bit of the water in to blend it into the background. I'm going to put it into the lake or river. Then what's going to be nice is while I'm blending it in, you'll see it's pretty nice with the water and the blue that I can fade it in. I'm going to be colorizing it as well, seeing if I can fit that in, and then I'll get back to you when I'm busy with the hamster. So done with the hippo, starting with the hamster. What I'm going to do with the hamsters is I'm going to add it as a logo, just because I think it's too small to add it anywhere else in the image. I think this is going to be quite a nice idea. So let me finish up with this and then get back to you. Okay, getting close to done here. I'm finishing up with the hamster here. Then I'll be looking at the camera raw filter. So just one thing to notice, you'll see what I'm doing here is I found another way to make it easier. When working with the camera raw filter, select the whole list as you saw I did there. Select create as a smart object. What happens in this case is that even though you do the filtering and everything, you can still open up that layer and then still edit it. Even though you've already put all the touches and finishes on it. And here we have the finished product. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few things that I did that I think I haven't done or touched before, like the mountains, but using the blend diff. Otherwise, yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like, and see you next Wednesday.